You have to put the car in gear before it can start moving. Oh no, a bad guy just hid in the supermarket. Can you help me find the criminal? Do you know what the bad guy looks like? He was wearing a green vest, brown pants, and a blue scarf around his neck. Okay, first, let's piece the bad guy's portrait together. Awesome! Thank you! You're welcome! Which path do you want to take? Tap to equip the magical item.
Stop at a red light, go at a green light. I'm running low on gas. Please fill up my fuel tank.
Insert the gas card to fill up the car. Fill up the car.
Baby bus, go!
Calm down, Miss Bear. What's the issue here? The parking lot is so disorganized. I can't drive my car out. Don't worry, I'll fix it. Woohoo! All the cars were driven out! Oh no! My backpack was stolen! you help me catch the thief? No problem. Leave it to me. Go, go, go! Ah, you found my purse. Thank you so much. You're welcome. It's my duty. Officer Kiki, mission accomplished. No, no, no. Bunny is entangled in the vine and can't move. Don't worry, we're going to save her now. Oh, I can't walk. Come and save me. Drag Kiki to move the box and save Bunny. Thank you for saving me. Don't mention it. You can always come to Officer Kiki if you need help. Which path do you want to take? little panda's town is successfully protected.